There are people out there listening right now that are going, gosh, I've got this asset. I've got a rental home. I've got some stock. I got an IRA. I got an annuity. I got a vacation home. How am I going to be protected from nursing homes and Medicaid? Well, everybody's circumstance is a little bit different, but if they're worried or they're concerned about what tools they might be available to them, we have a tool for them as well.
Tom, I like to call it an Olsen exclusive. It is our Medicaid assessment, and I will meet with them. I'll find out every asset they have, what their income is. I will customize a plan individually to them. I will tell them if they're over income, and I'll tell them what we're going to do for that. And then I will go through every asset, and I'll say, that's a countable asset. This is not a countable asset. And when all is done, they will have a blueprint to follow, and they'll know exactly what plan that needs to take place that we'll help them with.
Robert, my understanding is that you do that Medicaid assessment, it's only $500, whether a single person or a married couple.
Exactly. And if you're married, Tom, I like to think it's the best deal because I do 2 sets of planning, spouse to spouse and then spouse to children.
Okay. So folks, a Medicaid assessment, if you're worried about your situation, depending on what your assets happen to be and want to know the answers to about how we might protect your life savings from nursing homes, Robert can do a Medicaid assessment for you. It's only $500. And then you put it all in a notebook. It's all laid out there. We like to call it a blueprint. You can tell your kids about it and say, kids, if mom or I never need to go into a nursing homes, hey, here's a blueprint for you. Pull out this notebook, and it's all set here in place about what tools we should be using to protect our life savings from nursing homes.
Yeah, and I'm very amenable. We will bring them in. I will go over the notebook with them. Sometimes we've even conference calls their children in on from a different state so they can listen to my presentation to them when they receive their binder. It's not like I just hand them the binder. I probably spend a good hour with them going over every part of their assessment. And so they feel much more comfortable. And I think that's half the battle.
Robert, of all the Medicaid assessments that you've done, have some of those clients had long-term care policies in place?
They have.
And so would part of that assessment be a review of that long-term care policy and, laying out for them what the benefits of it are?
Absolutely. We talk about if it's a reimbursement policy. We talk about if it is an income policy. We also talk about the effects it will have on their Medicaid eligibility. And if they have any questions, I'll just go through their policy and I'll tell them what they can expect out of it.